Hello traders, welcome to Small Trades where we trade small for big gains. I'm doing a recap for Monday, September 23rd. It was a tricky day, mostly because the market was going up to all-time highs. Prior to the market open, Nasdaq came down and looked like it was doing a bear flag. So it came down, doing a bear flag, and came up to test the high of the channel, and then continued grinding up. The Nasdaq kept going up higher and higher, so it gave us very little opportunity to get in, except on small pullbacks, right into our AOS, area of support areas. And I have some of them drawn out here. This is Quant Tower, so we traded our Apex accounts towards the end of the day, and you could see some trades that were executed here. But throughout our other accounts, we traded here, and we only had 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 areas of pullbacks where we were able to trade and take advantage of the market fluctuations. Overall, it was a good day. We came out nice and green across all accounts. Let's do a quick look. All right, so our final total was $4,544. We traded 10 accounts out of 20. So we traded half of our accounts with a total of $4,544. Thank you for watching my recap for Monday, September 22nd. I will post a link where you can see all of my trades taken live in the live stream. All right. Have a great day, traders. Bye-bye.